Conservation is local. It matters and must matter to the people who live in a particular place. So if you want conservation to be successful, then you have to empower local people. We don't own any land. We raise money for local groups who then buy the land. They do the work. They recruit the people to collect the seeds and plant the trees. This is rural empowerment. We want them to help people in local communities so that they will benefit. And frankly, I think that's the only way to do conservation, and that when people try to do it any other way, it tends to fail.